Welcome back to Hillside Adventures. We just wanted to post a little update to explain that why we didn't do a video this week. We didn't get a chance to. We're prepping to get all of our rigs and campers and gear and everything ready for a longer camping trip than we normally do. So we're actually going to go across the country. So we'll try to take a lot of video, share a lot of the sights and adventures along the way. But due to that, it's going to take us a couple weeks. So for the next couple weeks, we will only be posting maybe a couple shorts if we can find signal. But just wanted to kind of explain why we're taking a little bit of a break. There's going to be a little bit of an absence just for this trip. And like I said, the content will continue, but this will give us a chance to actually come up with some great adventure content. So we're going to go enjoy the adventure with our family, and then we'll be back hopefully with some stuff to share with y'all.
Yep, look forward to seeing you guys later.